Hey y'all, it's your girl Lyasia and I'm back with another video. This video will be the kickoff of the holiday season. I'm bringing you guys shopping with me to get our holiday decor. So I'm super excited because I haven't decorated for the holiday in years, like literally years. But being in this new space, I have so much more space to play around with and I'm just feeling like the happiest I felt in a long time. So I'm in the mood, like I want the feels. And personally, I really love the holiday season anyway. So I'm happy to be able to really dive into it and do what I want because I love it. I love the warm, fuzzy, cozy feels. I have my little holiday traditions and now I get to do like so much more and decorate. So I'm bringing you guys with me. We're about to go out now to At Home, which I've never been to At Home. Excited to finally go shopping there because they have so much, and then their Christmas season is like huge. So the theme that I am going with is a winter wonderland theme. Like I just love winter wonderland. It's going to be whimsical with whites and champagnes and goldish colors and just very wintry and whimsical. So let's go. Just to show you guys exactly where we plan to put things, right here in this corner is where the tree will go. Our ceilings are like 9 feet, so we're going to pick up a 7.5-foot tree. Then moving over here, I want to put some accent trees and like little setups right here on the floor in between these doors. That would just still give more winter wonderland, maybe a little fake snow around it. And then on top of our cabinets, you see we have like this space here, like tons of space. So I had the idea of putting some garland to just line the top of these cabinets. And then the centerpiece of the island will be also some other little Christmas decor, maybe like small, like little trees. Tray. Over here, like obviously when we get our coffee table, we'll put a little bit of stuff on top of there. On the console, maybe some little snow and little tiny things will go on top of there so that the apartment can be a winter snowy forest, and that's the idea. So since the theme is winter wonderland, I want to do a lot of whites and champagne-y colors, kind of like goldish taupey kind of colors. So I'm definitely going to pick up a lot of white. These are really cute. They kind of look like a wooden kind of white with some gold. So something like this is really nice. So that's kind of the vibe. So a lot of white ornaments. Something like this is cute to do some like pine cones for sure. Look at this. So I want to get a box of, you know, a bunch of ornaments and then do some special ornaments that are like bigger, different shapes, different patterns and textures. That's the vibe. That's the goal. So. this is what I came home with. It's kind of a lot, kind of not sure if it's enough, but we'll see. So just to kind of quickly show you what I got, starting with at home, I picked up this wreath. It's super, super pretty. I had to get the flocked snowy wreath because Winter Wonderland, obviously you need all the snow. So I love this. Then I went with this 50-piece ornament set. It is the champagne color, so it's exactly what I was looking for. They do have a few sizes in here, like this size is bigger than that size. I like that I have some shimmers and then some solids. So that's gonna be a good variety. I may or may not use all of them, I'm not sure. But I definitely wanted to do these really big white ornaments. They come a set of 3, so I just got 3 packs. So I only have 9. Not sure if that's going to be enough or not. But the idea right now is to just get everything on the tree and then see if I need more or less of something before. Like, I didn't want to go too crazy. So started with 3, we'll see. And then I went with this white one because it's like snowy and textured and kind of like a crunchy snowy texture. And I definitely wanted something with texture as well, so I picked that up. Just got 1 pack. I think it's like 12 in here or something, 16, I forgot. And then I got these medium-sized ones that are pretty much identical to the big ones, just like a medium size, just for, again, variety. And then, what is Winter Wonderland without icicles? So I definitely had to get some icicles. I fell in love with these the moment I saw them. So I picked up about 6 and instantly have regrets because I'm not even sure if that's going to be enough. But they were like $3 a piece because these are like a specialty ornaments. And I'm not sure if it's going to be enough, but if not, hopefully I could get more. And then of course, Winter Wonderland, you need snowflakes. So I got 2 packs of these snowflakes. I think they come about 6 pieces in them. So I got some snowflakes, pine cones because of course, and I got them frosted. And then I also picked up these little stars because I thought they would be a cute little touch in a pop to have some stars on it. Got 2 packs of that. And then I thought this was so cute. The little reindeer, also in the like champagne shimmery color. All of these are like the champagne goldy shimmer. Thought those were really cute. I only got 1 because I really didn't want to do too many. Then also from at home, I got the tree skirt. So just got like the cozy one that looks like snow basically. And then these are just some trees that I got that I want to put on the island. I got this cute little, look at this reindeer. So cute. Again, that's for like the island. Also, this little tray is for the island. This is our tree topper. So instead of going with the star, we found a snowflake. And I felt like it was cute because, again, Winter Wonderland, it's whimsical, it's wintry, it's snowy. So we thought a snowflake would be a cute tree topper. So all of this was from at home. I started there first, so I got the bulk of everything from there first. Also got some ornament hooks. And then at Hobby Lobby, there are these wooden skates on a string, and I thought they were super adorable. I love that they just look like old and vintagey and snowy, and it was so perfect for the theme. So I picked them up. Not sure where I'm putting them. I can hang them maybe on like a door or something, or I can sit them in underneath the tree. Not sure what I'm doing with it yet, but I got them because I thought they were perfect with the theme. Over here, I got some packs of the fake snow fluff so I can make my little areas of snow. This is also some snow to pour. And I ordered my tree off of Amazon. This is it in the box. You guys will just see it in the next video when I take it out. But it is a 7.5 flocked tree. It's pre-lit. I'll link it in the description box in case you guys are interested. It had good reviews. A lot of the pictures looked really nice of the tree. It looks like a full tree, and that's what I really wanted because ain't nobody got time for a skimpy tree. I believe it was reasonably priced for the size of it, but then again, I really don't know what's a good price for a Christmas tree. So And I am still waiting for some other things to come in that's for around the apartment. Like I ordered these two skinny accent trees that's going in like our hallway kitchen area. I still need to get the garland. I still need to get some more tabletop stuff that'll go on the console and also for the coffee table that we don't have yet, but we should have obviously by the time Christmas comes. So still have some things to get. So yeah, this is it. So make sure you guys are subscribed and stay tuned for part 2, which will be the tree going up and being decorated. So don't miss out.